and welcome to Level Up IAS and welcome back to 10 Minute Series. Today we are back with another important topic of modern history, that is women associated with the revolt of 1857. This topic is very important both from prelims as well as mains point of view. So let's begin. Kittur ki Rani Chennamma. See, even though she is not associated with the revolt of 1857, but is associated with the doctrine of lapse, and thus it makes her very important. Okay? She was the Indian queen of Kittur, which was a princely state in Karnataka. She led an armed rebellion in the year 1824 against the British East India Company. She rebelled in confrontation of the doctrine of lapse in a bid to maintain Indian control over the region. In the fight, she defeated the British. She was one of the first female rulers who rebelled against the British rule. She became a folk hero in Karnataka. Rani Lakshmi Bai, 1828 to 1858. Jhansi Ki Rani was an epitome of courage and bravery. In 1853, Maharaja of Jhansi died. As a result, East India Company applied doctrine of lapse to annex Jhansi, because of which Rani Lakshmi Bai took the war to British. Sir Hugh Rose faced tough competition from Rani Lakshmi Bai. Rani Lakshmi Bai died while fighting in Gwalior on 18th of June 1858. Indian National Army started its first female unit in 1943 with the name Rani of Jhansi Regiment. Sir Hugh Rose has commented, remarkable for her beauty, cleverness and perseverance, she had been the most dangerous of all the rebel leaders, the best and bravest of all. Jhalkari Bai, 1830 to 1858. Hailing from a humble background, she rose to the ranks to become an advisor to the legendary Rani Lakshmi Bai. She was trained to use weapons, ride a horse, and fight like a warrior. During the Battle of Fort of Jhansi, she disguised herself as Rani Lakshmi Bai and took command of the army, thus giving the real queen a chance to escape in the meantime. Avanti Bai Lodi, 1831 to 1858. She was well trained in sword fighting, archery, cavalry, military strategy, diplomacy, and all other state subjects of statecraft. In 1851, the British declared Ramgarh as a coat of wards under the doctrine of lapse and appointed their own administrator for the kingdom in place of Avanti Bai. Leading from the front, the fearless queen herself raised an army of 4,000 and personally led it against the British troops. Her first battle took place in the village of Kheri. Avanti Bai's masterful battle tactics ensured that the British troops under the leadership of British General Waddington were handed a stunning defeat. British assembled their full force and launched a massive attack on Ramgarh, setting the citadel on fire. Surrounded by British troops and facing the prospect of capture, Avanti Bai chose to sacrifice her life rather than to surrender to the enemy. On March 20, 1858, she killed herself with her own sword. Begum Hazrat Mahal, 1820 to 1879. During the revolt of 1857, she took the leadership of the revolt at Lucknow, which was the capital of Awadh. She crowned her 11-year-old son, Birjis Qadir, the ruler of Awadh, under Mughal suzerainty after the spectacular victory in the Battle of Chinat. Her associates included Rana Beni Madhav Baksh of Baiswara, Raja Digvijay Singh of Mahona and Maulvi Ahmad Ullah Shah of Faizabad. Henry Lawrence was the British official who suppressed the revolt at Lucknow. She finally found asylum in Nepal and died in 1879 in Nepal. Uda Devi. One of the fiercest battles in Lucknow was the battle in Sikandar Bagh in November 1857. Sikandar Bagh was manned by the rebels and fell along Commander Colin Campbell's route as he marched to rescue the Europeans besieged in the Residency. A story goes that the British heard a crack shot who was firing from the top of a tree. It was only when they managed to fell the tree that they discovered that the person shooting was a woman who was then identified as Uda Devi from the Pasi community. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video and do subscribe to our YouTube channel and message me in the comment box what topics do you need in the next videos. Thank you.